Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to finally introduce myself to you guys officially. My name is Jacinta. I'm a fashion designer that loves creating unique, stylish and simple outfits. I started this channel to share my love for sewing, creativity and fashion design, and to also inspire those who wants to learn how to bring their ideas to life using their fabrics and machine. For a while now, I've been showing you guys some of the outfits I made on a mannequin. So I thought it's time to bring more life to the channel. So I've decided to start showing myself too. I'm so excited to show more of my process and a bit of myself while making these outfits. So in this channel, I'm going to be sharing step-by-step tutorials, behind the scene looks, fashion tips, styling tips, and sometimes little vlogs about my process and as my daily life as a fashion designer. So whether you are a beginner or someone who loves fashion and design, there is something here for you. My goal here is to show that fashion doesn't have to be complicated. You can keep it simple and classy, yet look absolutely stunning. That is what Sew With Jessy is all about. So if you love fashion, creativity and seeing ideas come to life, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and also turn on your notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, for your support and for being part of this journey with me. I can't wait to learn, to create and to grow with you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.